Good morning. Welcome back. It's your girl Kayla Lashae. We're out here. We really are out here, you guys. You already saw the title. That means we're gonna go look at an apartment today. Hopefully a couple in the building. I don't even know, you guys. We need to talk about this whole apartment thing because I don't know where to start. It is extremely overwhelming. I do live in the DMV. If you guys are new and you happen to be, I don't know, searching for apartment tour videos, that's the DC, Maryland, Virginia area. And I am open to looking at apartments in all three areas. However, I do live in Virginia, so I feel like I would prefer to stay in Virginia. But if any of you guys watching live in the DMV area, please feel free to comment some good neighborhoods, some good cities, because it is very large, very spread out. I feel like different areas and neighborhoods are a different vibe. You can get the suburbs, you can get the city, you can get the metropolitan area where you're super close to all the trains and everything is very walkable, and the walkable scores are insane. I do prefer to be in a walkable area where I can, you know, go outside and get a coffee, or there's grass where I can take my dog out. But I also am looking for like a building, not a community. I feel like I've had so many different living experiences where I've lived in large communities before, and I'm not a fan of that. I feel like it's too big of a space. I like to just be in one building, boom, that's it. So I do have a little bit of a checklist of things that I'm looking for. And if you guys are new, I am coming from, you know, renting in Los Angeles, so the rent rates are, I feel, so much more expensive for the square foot that you're going to get. For example, I came from a studio apartment in Koreatown that was about $2,300 without paying for parking and all that stuff. That was just the base rent. So I feel like I can get more for my money out here in Virginia. With that $2,300, I'm pretty sure I could find a good one bedroom that's around, I don't know, 800, 750 square foot. I think my studio apartment was around, gosh, how much was that? That was like 650 square foot. I will say, having that studio was my favorite apartment that I've ever had, and I've lived in different styles, like a loft apartment. I've had a one bedroom apartment before that. I had a very industrial looking apartment with like concrete walls and stuff. So I've really tried a little bit of everything, but this time I'm really looking for something that's well lit, something that has like white cabinetry, something very bright and airy where I can vlog and it's just gonna look very bright. I definitely would like to find a one bedroom. Definitely not looking for any studios with the prices and stuff. It just wouldn't really make sense for me. So I think a good one bedroom would be really nice. Two bedroom is just too much for me because I don't need two bathrooms. It's just me and my little dog. So not looking for a two bedroom out here. What else is on my checklist? Parking, of course. I do know, depending on the area that you live in, you will have to pay a parking fee, especially if you get closer to the city and stuff. So it definitely needs to have parking. I don't want to have to deal with street parking. Definitely needs to have laundry in unit. I feel like out here a lot of places have that as a standard. Dog friendly, of course, because I have my dog. And I would like to have a place that has like a pet park, like a pet relief area. So if it is late at night and I need to take my dog out, I would prefer that to having to go outside on the streets by myself. Also, depending on the neighborhood, you know, like I said, I'm very open-minded to looking all over the DMV. And my budget, I think my budget is gonna fall in between, I don't know, 23 to 25 base rent. I think that would be my budget. I'd be comfortable with that. I don't want to pay $3,000. Absolutely not. We're not doing that. So I think I could get a lot for that budget out here. So that's what I'm looking for when it comes to an apartment. Oh, I would like them to have a pool and then a decent gym space. I do have my own gym membership, so it's not like I need everything to be perfect. But if they have, you know, some equipment like, I don't know, cardio machines, maybe a squat rack or like a Smith machine, that's pretty basic. That would be nice just to have for like a quick workout. As far as like the amenities go. Oh, and definitely concierge. I need that. Like, I just feel safer with that and like handling packages and stuff like that. So that's pretty much my apartment checklist. And I know it's like a lot and it's me being nitpicky and it's overwhelming to try and find everything that you're looking for. And I definitely want like a standing shower over a bathtub. That would be my preference. And an island. Like, I have all these things that I would love to have. That's just me and my dream apartment, right? But it literally is impossible to find everything in your budget at that, in the right area. So I guess I'm just gonna start the process now. I feel like I have a long time before I do eventually want to move out. There's things maybe I got to get done first, but it'll be nice to have a head start just to see what is out in the market here in Northern Virginia and what I can get for my money versus what I've used to pay in another city. So it'd be a nice little comparison as well, and I think it would be interesting to take you guys along this apartment hunting journey with me. So I made an appointment and we're gonna look at this place. Also, I will say, if you want to see more apartment tours, because this is not the only place I'm gonna be looking at, I actually have a list of places in my budget in my phone that I want to check out. Not all at once because I feel like it's overwhelming. At least we'll see how this one goes first, then I'll be happy to take you guys along with me and you can kind of help me pick out the perfect apartment. I can get your opinions on things and you guys can let me know, like, do you think this place, you know, like suits me and stuff like that. So that's kind of why I'm starting now. And I will say YouTube land, the time in general goes by so fast versus in reality. So yes, I'm looking for an apartment to potentially move into right now, but realistically I'm not trying to move out until like Vlogmas time, because how cool would it be to like do Vlogmas and you're moving at the same time and you get daily content of how that whole process and journey goes. So bear with me, you guys. It's gonna be a while before I actually move into a space on my own, but like I said, I would rather get a head start on looking at places and mentally put myself in that space so I can manifest my dream apartment, and I'm working towards this goal instead of just saying, oh, I want to move out, but like I'm not physically in that energy, I'm not aligned with it just yet. So that's why I want to look at places now so I can like visualize myself in this apartment, waking up in the morning, making my Nespresso, you know, taking my dog out and then doing some work at the island, taking a nice hot steamy spa self-care shower, filming a night routine. Like, I want to be able to visualize myself in this space. So I think looking at apartments now is going to help me manifest ultimately my goal by the end of this year. So bear with me, and please don't put any pressures like, oh, I thought you were moving, when are you moving, what happened with this, what happened with that, when are you going back to LA? Like, that's nice that you guys are interested and I love it so much, but sometimes it can be a little bit overwhelming for me because I do feel like everything happens in the right timing for you and you really just can't be rushing the process. So please be patient with me. I just thought I would, you know, make this video now and invite you on this journey with me instead of just doing it by myself behind the scenes. So I know it's early and stuff, but Vlogmas time, baby. Let's manifest that. Let's manifest that. So let's go see this apartment, and you guys can let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And if you, again, like I said, have any areas in the DMV that you think I would like, maybe like Arlington or Crystal City, somewhere around like Pentagon City Mall, I think that would be a nice neighborhood to kind of look at. As far as DC goes, I'm not really familiar with DC at all, and low-key, I don't even want to think about looking at apartments there because I can't drive there. Driving in DC stresses me out. So, and it's definitely way more expensive when it comes to the cost of living, just because gas prices are higher, rent is higher if you want to be in a safe neighborhood in a newer building versus in Northern Virginia. So I also have that in mind as well. Like, maybe DC is not the vibe, but I can move closer to the city than where I live right now. I would definitely be happier with that, because I wouldn't have to drive an hour just to be where all the action nightlife is and all that kind of stuff. So let's get into the tours, and I will see you guys in my next video, because this is going to be my little outro as well. Thumbs up, and of course subscribe if you guys want to join me on this journey of getting me out my mama's house. Then I'll definitely have a ton of videos here to share with you guys to bring you along on this journey. So let's get it.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready. Hey, yeah. Hey, please don't make me. Hey, please don't make me shoot this bitch up. I bought bottles to the club, I'm finna juice this bitch up. Ooh, yeah, I'm ready. Hey, double cup empty, juice got me stuck. I can't party, I can't flex. Nigga, I don't get no fuss, that's why I'm ready. Bitch, call him about some money, don't be petty, I got plenty. Send me automatic, don't you tell me it get deadly. Hustling on the block, breaking jaws like I'm Eddie. Got a bad bitch, and she rollin', look like Kelly. What she rollin'? Yeah, flex, LA Fitness, bitch, I'm sweaty. Told her I love money, but that pussy got me tempted. I'm down to ride, my niggas ain't up on my side. She told me she get up at 5, I beat it and boot it by 9, yeah. My bitch pop like anime, yo bitch look like Tina Fey. I break hearts like 808s, getting paid every day. Fuck that shit, I don't need a break. She so sweet like lemonade, ass so fat that's lemon cake. What can I say? That's why I always stay ready. Hey, yeah, I'm ready. Hey, we ready. We ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. We ready. You ready? Hey, okay, I'm ready. 2 cups of that Henny, diamonds and baguettes, chain look like spaghetti. I hope God forgive me. Look at my wrist, it's way too tempting. My life can get messy. Devil been out here trying to get me. Okay, okay, okay. Click too lit. Click too lit like this. Love my wrist. I just feel my wrist. Okay, okay. Shoot, don't miss. I shoot and I can't miss. No way, no way. Shit too lit. Let me tell you little niggas what it is, because I'm ready. I'm ready.